everyone, I'm Shannon. Welcome to another Live It STEM challenge. I am so excited to take you on a journey high up into the Alpine. With this STEM challenge, you will create your very own glacial ice core. But wait, what is a glacier and what is an ice core? Glaciers are large masses of ice that form when a location gets lots and lots of snow that doesn't fully melt over the summer months. Over hundreds of years of accumulation, the snow underneath gets squished by the weight of the new snow on top, and eventually forms layers of ice. It is these layers that build a glacier. As snow falls, it collects particles of dust, pollen, and chemicals. This means that everything in the atmosphere during a snowfall is preserved and trapped in the glacier. Ice core scientists drill down into a glacier and remove tubular samples of ice to study the different layers and discover hidden information. Let's create our own ice core to better understand how glaciers form and what they can tell us. You will need still water, carbonated water, tubular containers to create your cores. Pringles or tennis ball containers work really well. Food coloring, a measuring cup, ash or sand or anything else you can think of, a ruler, and a calculator. Now, let's create your ice core. Begin by filling one large container with clear water and the other with colored water. Then put them in the fridge to cool. Next, determine the volume of your ice core tube. How many milliliters of water can it hold? Divide that number by 10 to represent the average season's snowfall. Once your water samples in the fridge are cold, pour 1/10 of the clear water into the bottom of your ice core container. This will represent the first season of summer snowfall. The clear water represents the summer months and the colored water the winter months. Place your ice core in the freezer and wait 2 to 3 hours for it to freeze. And once it has frozen solid, pour the next layer using colored water. You will now have 1 full year of precipitation. Continue to pour and freeze, alternating clear and colored layers over the next few days. Remember, glaciers take time to form. Measure slightly different amounts to show varied snowfall accumulation. Try adding to your water to represent different environmental occurrences. What material could represent a volcanic eruption? How would you represent pollen or radioactive particles? What do you think will happen if you used carbonated water as a layer instead of still water? Could you add something to the water to represent microplastics? Remember that 1 year is represented in 2 layers. How many layers will you need to represent 4 years? Now the best part, decode your ice core. Using the charts and tables provided, tell the story of your ice core. Think about what else scientists may find when examining ice cores from real glaciers. Find out more about ice core science with Allison and Kira in the Glacier Show. And Anne will tell you what happens to the ice cores when they make it back to the lab in our deep dive. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.